My college friends are visiting the farm and I'm making some of my Middle Eastern favorites. I have a unique spin on tabbouleh salad that is vibrant, crisp, and fresh. I'm gonna start by ricing some cauliflower, and tabbouleh salad is typically made with bulgur wheat, but instead of that, I'm using this cauliflower rice. And this was a thing I started doing one year on Passover because you can't have wheat on Passover, and it was so good. The cauliflower just kind of soaks up all the flavors of the vegetables and the herbs that typically go in tabbouleh. And it makes me feel better about eating the whole bowl because cauliflower is good for you. All right, now you can buy cauliflower riced already,
Or you can save money and rice it yourself easily with a box grater. And you get what looks like rice.
I've got my cauliflower rice and now I'm gonna quickly saute it in some olive oil. Cauliflower rice is also really good as fried rice. Now I'm just gonna cook this for a few minutes, and while this cooks, I'll gather the rest of my vegetables. I've got a few radishes, some scallions, and Persian cucumbers here that I'll chop up. And I love these little Persian cucumbers. They're crisper and sweeter than the big guys. And they're gonna add such nice crispness and a little bit of sweetness to this salad. I think it's about ready to remove from the heat. Okay. Now I'll continue chopping up the rest of my vegetables. I've got 6 scallions here that I'm gonna slice thinly. I'm just dumping all my ingredients into my salad bowl. And now a few radishes will add a nice peppery kick. I'm gonna add half of a red onion. And now I'm gonna add tons of herbs. Tabbouleh has to have a lot of fresh herbs. I've got cilantro, parsley, and mint in here. I'll just pile these right in. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of heat with some crushed red pepper. And I'll season with salt and pepper. And now this salad doesn't really have a dressing. I'm just gonna add tons of lemon juice and olive oil. And this is gonna add so much nice brightness. So I'm adding the juice of 1 lemon, and then I'm gonna eyeball about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Doesn't need to be exact. Now I'll toss it all together. Oh, it's so fun to see all of these colors blend together, get really pretty. Okay, let me sneak a taste. I just love the way the lemon and the olive oil coat all the vegetables and really makes their flavor shine. This is gonna be the perfect side dish to my falafel.